So you've got 1 over x looking like this and a straight line. Let's try and find the intersection of the two lines. Believe it or not, this is a quadratic problem. To find the intersection of the two lines, set this to be the same as this. So 1 over x equals that line there, that straight line there. So this is actually a quadratic problem. Times everything by x. So that would be 1 equals 2x squared plus 8x. Now, here you got x squared, x, and a constant. Whenever you want to solve a quadratic, get it to equal 0. So take away 1 from both sides. 2x squared plus 8x minus 1. So now you want the coefficient of this to be 1. So you can just use the quadratic formula if you want, but I'm going to complete the square on this. So divide everything by 2. So that would be this divided by 2, that would be 4x, take away a half. So now complete the square. It's always going to be half of this thing here. So that would be x plus 2 squared. You take away the square of this, and then you carry this thing down. I'm expecting you to know how to complete the square. And by the way, when you're here, you can just use the quadratic formula. But I'm just going to complete the square. So completing the square. Completing the square. So completing the square. Completing the square would be single number, merge them together. So let's turn this into a fraction. So 4 over 1. I want the two denominators to be the same. So I'm going to times top and bottom by 2. So that would be 8 over 2. So now that would be negative 8, take away 1. That would be negative 9 over 2. Negative 9 over 2. There, I've just completed the square. Now the rest is easy. Rearrange it to make x a subject. I'm going to do in one go. Add this thing. Add this fraction here, 9 over 2. And then square root. I will get the positive version and the negative version. And then I'm going to take away 2. Take away 2. So x equals that. So what that means is this is not to scale, by the way. Negative 2 somewhere around here. If I add the square root, it would take me to here. And then if I take away the square root thing, it would take me to here. So we've got our solutions, okay?